Into the night, a final sight, a closing door. She won't ride this way no more. Hear the key turn, loud and slow, above my hum, a final blow. Now silence starts to creep, secrets that the darkness keep. I keep climbing down to meet you, I keep climbing down alone. This rubber handrail's all I cling to, moving to an empty zone. Remember kids with sticky hands and cleaners making their demands on weary feet, a silent stream, living out a waking dream. Oh, power grid, don't let me cease. Grant this lonely hum release. Just one more cycle, if you please. Whispering through the plastic trees. I keep climbing down to meet you,